morning, students. Welcome to online classes. And we have already studied about the preparation of haloalkanes by alcohols and by saturated hydrocarbons. And we will talk about preparation of haloalkanes by unsaturated hydrocarbons, that is alkanes, today. Alkenes, when takes place in chemical reaction, alkenes when takes place in chemical reaction with hydrogen halide, corresponding haloalkanes are obtained. You have already studied about such reaction in class 11 in unit 3, unit 13, sorry. In unit 13, that such reactions held according Marconi-Karp rule and anti-Marconi-Karp rule. When alkenes are treated with hydrogen halide, then halogen attaches with that carbon which contain minimum number of hydrogen. This rule is called as Marconi-Karp rule. While in the presence of benzoyl peroxide, if HBr takes place in chemical reaction, then such halogen attaches with CH2. That is Marconi-Karp rule becomes failed. So it is called as anti-Marconi-Karp rule. And 2-bromoalkanes. It is called as 2-haloalkane. 2-haloalkane. While when in the presence of benzoyl peroxide, alkenes take place in chemical reaction, then Marconi-Karp rule becomes failed, so called anti-Marconi-Karp rule, and reaction held opposite to Marconi-Karp rule. The product obtained one bromo R is put here, 1-bromoalkane. And if CH3 is put forth there, then called as 1-bromopropane. Such reaction is called as such reaction held is called as anti-Marconi-Karp rule or peroxide effect, because due to peroxide the reaction held against to Marconi-Karp rule. And aromatic compounds also takes place in chemical reaction by photolysis and forming corresponding haloalkanes, such as when toluene takes place in chemical reaction with halogen, it is called as toluene. Such compound is called as toluene. When it is treated with halogen in dark condition, dark and cool condition, Then ortho and para derivative. Ortho-halotoluene and para-halotoluene. A mixture of both. Para-halotoluene. This is called as ortho-halotoluene. And it is called as para-halotoluene. Because halogen group is present as para position, that is 1,4. Para-halotoluene. So aromatic halogen derivatives are also obtained by direct halogenation reaction. Such reaction is called as halogenation reaction. It is halogenation of toluene. And if you remove CH3 from such one, then benzene will be, after removal CH3, it will be changed into benzene. And benzene will form halo benzene only one derivative, not ortho and para, because ortho and para is called when any group is already present and halogens are attached at ortho position, that is 1,2 position or 1,4 position. And if any problem is being held, then you can ask without hesitation with me. Now we will talk about Sand-Meier's reaction. Halogens derivatives are formed by Sand-Meyer reaction, and to obtain haloalkane by Sand-Meyer reaction, we will talk about such point at next day. Thank you very much.